Hi. What if I told you that a few simple weekend projects could save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars this winter? It sounds almost too good to be true, right? But you'd be surprised how often our garages, the place we trust to protect our stuff, become the very spot where cold weather does its worst damage. The good news? With a little know-how, you can easily turn your garage into a cozy shield for your car and tools. Let's walk through it together. First, let's talk about why this matters so much. Think of your garage not just as a room, but as a thin buffer between the freezing outdoors and your valuable gear. Without a little help, it's not much of a buffer at all. That bitter cold is tough on your car's battery and engine fluids, making every winter morning a stressful guessing game of, will it start? And for your beloved tools, that damp chill is a one-way ticket to Rust City, not to mention what it does to plastic and batteries. Giving your garage a winter makeover is the ultimate act of preventative care. So, where do we start? Sealing up the drafts. This is your biggest bang for your buck move. Grab some weather stripping and take a good look at the seal around your garage door. Feel a breeze? That's your heat and money escaping. A simple door threshold seal for the bottom can work wonders. And don't forget that door leading into your house. If it feels drafty, it needs sealing too. It's like putting a warm hat on your garage. It keeps the warmth you have from slipping away. Next up, let's get smart about how we store everything. For your car, consider a trickle charger for the battery. It's like a little security blanket that ensures a happy, full charge on the coldest days. For your tools, the golden rule is get them off the concrete floor. That slab is cold and damp. Use shelves, pegboards, or even just a simple pallet. Tossing a few moisture-absorbent packs into your toolbox is a genius hack to keep rust at bay. And any liquids like paint or cleaners, when in doubt, bring them inside where it's climate-controlled. Now, what about a little heat? You don't need to turn your garage into a tropical paradise. Often, just taking the deepest chill off is perfect. A small, safe electric heater with a thermostat set to just above freezing can make a world of difference. And because you sealed all those drafts, that heater won't have to work hard or run up your energy bill. It's a team effort. Finally, for the overachievers, you know who you are. Here are two fun pro tips. First, a cheap wireless thermometer lets you check the garage temperature from your kitchen. No more guessing. Second, before the deep freeze hits, wipe down the rubber seals on your car and garage door with a silicone protectant. It keeps them from freezing shut or cracking, a tiny step that prevents a lot of frustration. See? It doesn't have to be complicated. A little effort now means you can enjoy peace of mind all winter long, with a car that starts on the first try and tools that stay in perfect shape. Here's to a cozy garage and a hassle-free season.